Hi, welcome to Jeff Kitchen. Today we are going to prepare vanilla and strawberry yogurt. And here are the ingredients that I will use. I'll use vanilla essence. I also have the strawberry essence, the plain yogurt. We'll add in some sugar and also use the milk. So let's get into the kitchen and do this together. You use the ATM milk. This one I bought it from the supermarket. Therefore, I'm going to boil it and make yogurt at home. Bring the milk to boil and take care so that it doesn't pour. Just allow it to boil. Now put off the fire. Leave the milk to cool for around 30 to 45 minutes. Just leave it to cool. I am sieving to remove the cream. There we are, I'm done. Now add in some natural yogurt. This is natural yogurt. After putting in the natural yogurt, you mix the milk and the natural yogurt. Remember, our milk is cool. I will now leave the milk for 12 hours to prepare the yogurt. I will just cover. I'll put it in the oven. There it is. I've covered it so well and leave it for 12 hours. Our yogurt is ready. I've just removed it after 12 hours. Let's see. Wow, look at how it has thickened. Wow, look at that. Now I'll pour it in a bowl and then add in all the other ingredients that I need. Wow. And if you want to make it again more thick, it's quite a lot. Wow. My family will enjoy this, so I'll put in some sugar, and you put sugar to your taste. We'll just measure with a tablespoon, so that's 1 tablespoon. I have put in 8 tablespoons. Then you stir slowly, slowly, slowly until the sugar is dissolved. We have mixed the sugar so well, and the sugar has dissolved. Now I want to add in my flavor that I'm using, vanilla essence. I'll just pour in 1 tablespoon. If you want to take it plain again, you're free to take it as it is. Then you mix. I've divided my yogurt into 2 so that I can make 2 kinds of flavors. This one is for vanilla. I'll also be making for strawberry. Here is my vanilla yogurt. For the strawberry yogurt, I had already put the sugar. Now I just need to put in the strawberry flavor. Here is my strawberry flavor for strawberry flavored yogurt. I'll pour in 1 tablespoon, then mix it so well. Look at the strawberry yogurt. Wow. Look at my strawberry flavored yogurt. It's ready now. I'll just pour in the jug. There we are. Our yogurt is ready. Here is our vanilla yogurt. Wow. And here is our strawberry yogurt. Wow. Try this at home and let me know how you find your yogurt. Please make a comment at the comment section. And God bless you. Let your family enjoy homemade yogurt. You no longer need to buy yogurt, especially if you have a big family. You can do this right at home. God bless you. And if you are new here, please subscribe. If you are my regular follower, thank you. And please share the video with a friend.